Hey guys, Jen Kua here from My Biz Breakthroughs. In today's lesson, I will show you how to make a pre-recorded automated webinar funnel. So creating webinars, this will help you boost your sales conversions, whether you are building your own brand, promoting your own products like coaching programs, software, ebooks, or maybe you are involved in network marketing business or selling properties, insurance. Creating an automated webinar funnel can help you build your mailing list and at the same time boost more sales conversions. So without selling hard. And you can reach hundreds of people from anywhere in the world. One webinar software that you can use is ClickFunnels. So you can do a live webinar here, or maybe if you do not want to do this live webinar, you can have this pre-recorded auto webinar funnel using this software. So just go here, funnels, click this build funnel. And down below here, try to find automated webinar. So let's see here. So you will see this webinar funnel. Let's see and check the automated webinar here. Here, auto webinar funnel. Okay, so just click this, select funnel. So down below here, you will see some options for auto webinar free funnel template. And down below, you can see some premium evergreen webinar funnel. So you will see here 500K in 45 days using this funnel. And this one, 130K in sales. This is a high ticket auto webinar that includes email sequence. So for this lesson, we will just use a free auto webinar template from ClickFunnels. So just click the template that you want for the webinar. So I'll just click this one. So this is how this JSON auto webinar funnel will look like. So first step is the webinar registration. So you can have your video here, your headline, and this one, an opt-in form. And these are the things that they will learn from the webinar. So they have 3 columns here. And then step 2, this is the webinar confirmation, where you can put a short video here of what to do next. And you will see here, there is this webinar time where they can pick the time to join the webinar. And step number 3, this is the webinar broadcast page. So you will see here this presentation will end in, you will have a timer down below. And on step number 4, this is the webinar replay. This is where you can add your sales page link or any link where you want to direct your users on the call to action button. And this one is step 5 to 7, indoctrination page, okay? So here, we can just select this. So click this Get Funnel. So here's our funnel steps for our auto webinar. So we've got here several steps. So first is just click this auto webinar registration and click this edit page. So let's just edit some elements here. So you can see here, attention for those who are serious about launching. Okay, we can just put here about launching your online business career. So let me just edit this. Instead of to the next level, I'll just make this career. And we will just delete this. And then here, discover what you need to know about, let's click this element, about launching, and then let's remove this, a profitable online business career. And then here, I'll just change the image here. So just click this element and then click this settings. And for image, I will just click this one and I will just upload my image here. So I'll just click this and then click add image. So here it is. Click here and then I'll just change the name here. Instead of JSON, I'll just put here Jen Kua. And the money maker, I will just put here online business expert. And here I will just put watch this. And I will just insert a video here. So you will see here free presentation reveals. So the best webinar you've ever been to, guaranteed, okay? And then simply enter your email below. So just click this element and I will just put here your webinar details. will be sent to email provided above. And this element, we can just change this by clicking this, and I will just remove this and we'll change this to develop your skills for money to become the byproduct product of what you do. Dot, dot, dot. And here, what you will learn from this webinar. So what you can do here, you can just change these elements based on the things that they will learn from your webinar. All right. So just put your domain name here. So we're almost done here. Next is we will add a video here, your invitation to your webinar here. So this video you can insert by clicking this settings. And here you can have this video type. You can custom embed. Use YouTube video, Vimeo, Wistia, Easy Video Suite, or HTML5 video. So you can use any of this to upload your video. Put your URL here. So now let's save our work. Just click here, save, and let's click this preview. So now you can see here, this is our image, and this is your headline for your webinar. This is your invitation video for the webinar. And you can also have this opt-in form in order for you to start building your mailing list. And these are the things that they will learn from your webinar. So this is how simple you can create your first step inside your automated webinar funnel using ClickFunnels. So that's all for now. And if you want to learn more on how you can build a powerful and convincing sales funnel, just click the link below this video. Jan Kua here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.